Welcome guys to the new episode of e-commerce app. In this episode we are going to integrate the Stripe payment, right? In previous episode we have added the Razorpay payment gateway. Now we will discuss about Stripe payments. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to checkout screen, continue to checkout. Okay, here we have integrated the Razorpay payment. Now instead of Razorpay payment, what you can do is select here, and if you want to integrate the Stripe payment, then you can search for Stripe payment here, and at the end you will get your payment ID. If the user pays and the payment is successful, then you will get the payment ID, and if that payment ID is set, then we can perform the other actions, right? For example, we will place the order after payment. So to enable the Stripe payment, you need to go to click close here, go to settings here, and here you can search for Stripe. Okay, you can search for Stripe and enable the Stripe payments. Now here you need to add the test credentials, publishable key and secret key. Now to get these keys, you need to create account on Stripe, and once you create account, add your bank details, then you will get this test key. Similarly, you will also get your live key as well. Okay, and here you need to add the merchant display name, that means the name of your company with the name you have created the Stripe account. Okay, and merchant country code. So here, for example, for country code India, it's IN. For USA, it will be US. Okay, you can add that. So let me show you the Stripe dashboard, how it looks like, and so that you will get the basic idea how to get that. Okay, so this is my Stripe dashboard. Here you can search for API keys. Okay, search for API keys. First of all, you have to create the account, right? Now here you can see the test mode and production mode. If I click this, the production mode will be enabled here. Now currently we are in the test mode. Here you can see the publishable key and the secret key. This is what you need to add, and from here you can see the name of your merchant display. Okay, so that name will be added there, here. Okay, so once that stuff is done, you can click on deploy button, and then the Stripe payment is enabled. Okay, so this is the first step. Now here click on Stripe payment. For the amount you can select for code expression, and from here you can add the argument, and here we will add the cart total. Okay, or either you can say the amount, and from here you can select double, and the value will be cart total. Okay, for the expression here you can write amount dot to int. Okay, here we are converting the amount into integer, and then we are multiplying it with 100, because if the amount total is 120, then it will take as divided by 100. So for that we need to multiply it by 100. This is how you can pass the total amount to the Stripe API. Okay, you need to multiply your total amount with 100 and confirm this. Once that is done, here you can add the currency code. Okay, for US it's USD, for India it's INR. Okay, customer email, from authenticated user you can get the email, and for the customer name you can get the customer name from here. Okay, and you can see there is also option of Google Pay and Apple Pay. So this will work in mobile only. If you have Google Pay installed in your mobile, then the Google Pay option will be displayed. So for that you need to enable this. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's how you can integrate the Stripe payment in your FlutterFlow apps. That's very easy. You can select the choice. For example, if you are from India, you can select the Razorpay payment, as we have seen in previous episode, or you have also the option of Stripe payment for international payments. Okay, you can search for Stripe card testing. You will get the test card numbers, with the help of which you can test the payment. Okay, so I will copy this card number, and here you can add any 3 digits for CVC. Okay, and for date you can add any future date. So that's how this stuff works. Okay, so now we will go to the cart here, continue to checkout. Here you can see the Stripe payment. Now here I will add the number, and we will add any future date and pay now. As I have not registered, I am getting this error. Okay, I'm not a registered business on Stripe, so that's why that error is coming. You have to register your account, okay, then only that stuff will work. The process is same way. Okay guys, so I hope you have learned new thing today. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.